Hey racing readers, this week's theme is storytelling. For this week's activity, you'll be creating your own finger puppets. So, let's get started. The materials you'll be needing are scissors, a ruler, pencil, crayons, markers of your choice, and glue. First, you're going to want to draw your character on your piece of paper. This can be a person, an animal, or anything else. Use your imagination, get creative. We recommend drawing your character 6 centimeters tall and around 2 centimeters in width. Also make sure to leave enough room on both sides of your character, around 3 centimeters. We recommend drawing your character 6 centimeters tall and around 2 centimeters in width. Also make sure to leave enough space on both left-hand side of your drawing, around 3 centimeters. Next, you're going to be coloring your characters, so this is where you can add any details that you like. Next, you're going to be wanting to add 3 centimeter wide by 1 centimeter tall wings, and this is what is going to form your finger puppets. So you're going to be adding these wings at the bottom so it can fit around your fingers. Make sure your wings are long enough to nicely fit around your fingers so it's not too loose or too tight. What you're going to do next is cut out your finger puppets along with the wing that we added at the bottom. And now you can try wrapping it around your finger to see if it fits perfectly, and now you could just secure it in place with some glue. And now your finger puppets are completed. This is what the end result should look like once you're done gluing the wings together on your finger. This activity will not only enhance both your communication skills and creativity, but it will allow you to freely express your imagination. I hope you all had so much fun creating your unique finger puppets. See you next time. Bye!